Now let's jump into a demo. As you can see, I am logged into the Intune Admin Center. I'm going to go ahead and open our Devices blade. Click into our Windows devices. I'll pick out a device here. And you'll notice from the device page that we have the Recast logo up here. We can go ahead and click on that, and that'll provide us our right-click menu. If I go to our right-click tools, you'll see that we have the same right-click tools listed here as well. So let's go ahead and pull up system information on this device. We're going to get a security pop-up. I'll accept. And that will bring up the same system information tool that you can use in the Config Manager console right from the Intune Admin Center. So we can take those same actions from within the system information tool here. So it should be a very familiar look and feel to the way that you have used right-click tools within the Config Manager console in the past. Now let's take a look at that beyond portion I was mentioning, where we can use the right-click tools within other web-based platforms as well. I have our SQL Server Reporting Services, or SSRS portal open. I'm going to go ahead and pull up a report here. So within our report here, we have our devices listed. Anywhere that we have a computer name listed, we can go ahead and highlight that computer name, right-click it, and we can access our Recast software browser extension from here as well. So we could go ahead and open up our right-click tools menu and pull up that same system information tool here as well. So really anywhere on the web that you have access to your device names, whether it be maybe your ticketing system has your device names within it, any web-based reporting tools that you use, anywhere that you have device names listed, you can highlight that device name, right-click, and access that right-click tools menu. That's a quick look at how we can access our right-click tools within the Intune Admin Center and beyond.